Another clumsy morning. So look at these two. What do you think happened? They broke inside my pocket. And why and how? Pretty easy. Alessandro escaped from the box while I was bringing it to the coop, and he escaped in a very unusual place before we got into the fenced zone, so close to my AC. And I was trying to catch him, and I forgot that I have the eggs in my pocket, right? So I just broke them. I don't know. I need to do something. Maybe it's ADHD or something, because like, how come almost every morning they escape? How? Why? I have no idea. But let me try to show you. Alessandro, little escaper. He was somewhere in here. I hope he's still here. He wasn't here. Okay, it's getting serious. It's getting serious. Where did he go? I don't see him here. Did he go to the fenced zone? Did he go here? Oh, and another thing. I decided to put the little chicks into the bigger space. So today, you see, I made them little more space, so they can, get in dirt, and do all the adult kind of stuff. You see, they're washing themselves in the sand and so on. But I just need to find Alessandro. Let me try to find him. I found him. He's getting higher and higher. Like, I was looking for him down here, but there you go. Alright, let me try to catch him. He wants to be high. He wants to be high. Don't worry, it's me. Okay, alright. Okay, got him. Baby Alessandro. Isn't he cute? Give him to his siblings. I would say to his brothers and sisters-in-law. Alright, now they're all here. And the biggest Alessandro is here. To the rescue! The rain started, so I need to put some kind of roof for my chicken run, so the chicks can, I don't want them to get too cold and too wet. So this should be better. At least they have some kind of roof. Yeah, mommy's running around, always worried about them. They're good. And the hens decided to explore the little coop, and everybody's hiding under the roof. So here they are in a row, and the mommy is nearby under the piece of roof too. Okay, so they're fine. You see, they're going next to each other, so they not get cold, cleaning each other. I know, I'm thinking maybe I'll get the heater outside as well, so to make sure they're warm enough. The rain is getting heavier, so I think I'll get the chicks back to the house, because I don't want them to get, cold and sick. So I'm gonna grab them right now under the rain. Here they are. So little, so wet. Next to the mommy. And no bullying. Let's place them here. So bullying has no place in here. You understand? New day, new problem. Take a look at the eye. You see that? What is this? No, I heard that you need to take care of their eyes and their butts. So I guess this is the case where I need to do something with the eye. Yeah, I'm gonna Google it, do another research. You know, I'm spending more time doing the research than actually farming. Isn't that weird? So this little guy got sick. This is the virus, and we need to get him out of the flock. So I'm gonna put him into the house, and he'll stay there separately.